Welcome back to the Biotech studio, where we dive deep into the latest breakthroughs in science and health, so you can live smarter, stronger, and healthier. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because today's discovery could change everything for millions living with type 2 diabetes. And if you or someone you love is dealing with blood sugar issues, this video might be one of the most important ones you'll watch all year. Because just this week, a major study published in the world-renowned journal Nature has dropped a bombshell. Scientists may have found a way to reverse type 2 diabetes, not with drugs, not with surgery, but by fixing your gut bacteria. Yes, you heard that right. Researchers from the Weizmann Institute in Israel have identified a powerful trio of gut microbes that are severely depleted in people with insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. And when they restored these missing bacteria in patients, something incredible happened. Let's break it down. Using advanced AI and microbiome mapping, the team analyzed over 300 individuals, some pre-diabetic, some already diagnosed. And they discovered that three key bacteria were almost missing in those with high blood sugar: Akkermansia muciniphila, known for strengthening the gut lining and reducing inflammation; Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, a superstar anti-inflammatory strain; and a newly optimized variant of Bifidobacterium longum, crucial for metabolic balance. These three together act like a metabolic reset button. In the trial, patients received a personalized probiotic formulation containing these strains, not your average store-bought probiotic, but a lab-grown, precision-dosed treatment. After just 12 weeks, the results were astonishing. Fasting blood glucose dropped by up to 25%, HbA1c levels improved significantly. Some fell below the diabetic threshold. Over 60% of participants showed restored insulin sensitivity, and in several cases, doctors confirmed full remission of type 2 diabetes. No insulin, no metformin, no extreme calorie restriction, just targeted gut repair. Now, this therapy isn't available at your local pharmacy yet. It's still in the clinical phase, and it's being tested under medical supervision. But experts say we could see FDA-approved versions, or even advanced over-the-counter supplements, within the next 3 to 5 years. And in the meantime, you can start supporting these good bacteria today. Eat more fiber, especially prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and oats. Add fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut. And avoid ultra-processed foods and artificial sweeteners. They destroy these critical microbes. This isn't just about managing diabetes, this is about reversing it at the root. And this study proves something powerful. Your gut isn't just digesting food. It's regulating your entire metabolism. So if you found this breakthrough as exciting as we did, give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because hope is spreading, one gut bacteria at a time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, because every week, we bring you the most cutting-edge health news you won't hear on mainstream media. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and keep believing in the power of science. This is the Biotech studio, signing off.